Yeah, I think he is.
There's the coach,
and so he's coming in with. Okay. So now let's take a look at the Austrian lineup. Coach Ralf Rangnick has been around for a while. Gathered his coaching loins in Germany. He coached many a team in the German Bundesliga. It's good to see him still in action. So that's the lineup for the Austrians. Sabitzer still the captain. And of course, we will see a lot of imports. Take a look at jersey number 3, Danso. Don't be mistaken. He is playing for the Austrian team. He's part of the Austrian lineup. And that's the Ghana lineup. So Ziggy starts for us. We've got Kohn. There's Yuenchi. There's Ajete. It's not well arranged. So Partey, Fatau, Ishaku, Sibo.
Ajete will be and the back 3. And then
the back 3. Okay. So Jiku is
will go to the
right.
To the right the right side.
Jordan plays in the middle. Fatawo on his left.
Yeah.
Semenyo on his right. Good to see Partey in the middle. Again, let's see whether we can have a rich combination between Partey and Zibo. And Zibo, one of the players that a lot of people have really taken a look at.
We like his energy. You know, he brings a lot on board. And you look at him closely.
Yeah,
he's been, closing opponents down quite quickly, and his passing accuracy and all that. I mean, he's a top guy. He only needs some playing time.
A lot of playing time.
Yeah, he needs some playing time to,
okay.
Make him
what
big.
good will it do to players like Jordan? It's not seeing a lot of the team, but of course with the national team, hey, he will always start as the captain.
You know, Jordan has been there, done that.
Exactly,
and
he knows what it is.
Probably this will be his last World Cup. Because he's also aging. We need with his experience, he's gained so much experience now.
Yeah.
And we need leadership on the field of play. And
that's true.
With Jordan in the team, he brings calmness, and then those who start losing their head, you know, Jordan will put them into order for them. So to have him back, I'm happy. But like I said, he's not having enough playing time in his club, so
exactly
probably this will be an opportunity for him to get at least 70 minutes or 75 minutes under his belt to see how it goes.
Well, so good enough for them. Kevin Danso, like we said earlier on, he was the gentleman you saw in the Austrian team. He plays for the Austrian national team, but of course of Ghanaian descent. And so it will be nice to see him play against his motherland, as it were, going into the game. But again, gentlemen, like we said from the early stages of our discussion, the purpose or the intent is not really about the scoreline at the end of 90 minutes. It's about what quality we can produce on the field of play. Who's ready to pick up or take up the mantle, as it were. And from the lineup that we saw, we obviously will see a lot of changes, yes. But a good enough positive start in your opinion?
Yeah, you know, normally it's always good to have at least 2-3 key players, you know, to keep the team together. I mean, to cool down the nerves of the younger ones. You are not, you know, calling for a complete new team. But when you know, blend them nicely, I think the team will do well. When the young ones